Alright guys, good morning everyone. Welcome to our post-match press conference. Congratulations to the UE Red Warriors for beating the Ateneo Blue Eagles in 4 sets. We have Coach Jambo Dimakulangan, Rakim Aceron, and Sean Kabaymayan. Coach, congratulations for this victory. So, back-to-back wins to end your campaign. So, magandang pabaon to for season 89. Your thoughts?
Yun nga po, like last game, yung sabi ko nga po, ang mindset lang namin is to train very hard, still win as many games as possible. And since this is our last game, parang I just told them to give it their all kasi wala naman pong mawawala, and to make or to end the season memorable and to end it with a win. So we're very happy na nag-respond naman po yung mga players because kailangan kasi lagi mas gusto nila. They should want it more than us coaches. And yun naman, we're very happy with the result.
Thank you to Sean. 6 of 10 attacks, 7 blocks, 1 service ace. Ikaw being the senior ng team, ano yung masasabi mo na, yung nga, very young roster nyo, pero nakakuha kayo ng 4 na panalo and naging maganda yung pagtatapos nyo ng season.
Ayun nga po, as a super senior po. Yun nga po, yung tumatak po sa isip ko lagi pa game na tutulungan ko po lagi yung team captain ko po, si Roca. Tapos yung sinasabi ko po sa mga teammates ko po na once po na nagda-down po sila, lapitan po nila or puntan po nila yung pinakatiwalaan nila na teammates sa team para po ayun, makakuha sila ulit ng kumpiyansa at makabawi ulit. Kaya sabi ko sa kanila, pag nag-error, +2 lang po lagi. Yun lang po.
Thank you. To Rakim, 18 attacks, 2 blocks, 3 service aces, 6 digs, and 18 extra receptions. So, ano yung nararamdaman mo right now na natapos yung season? Although hindi kayo nakapasok sa Final Four, back-to-back wins at magandang pabaon going to the next season.
Siyempre po, grateful po kami, unang-una kay Lord and kila coach po na araw-araw din sa amin nagtiyaga, and siyempre sa mga teammates, family, and friends na naging support po namin sa journey na to. Magandang baon po to para sa next season kasi kumbaga, may i-work on na lang po kami. Hindi na po kami, kumbaga, back to zero. Kumbaga, pag yayabungin na lang po kung ano po yung nasimulan namin.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is open for questions. Go ahead.
So, nung last win yung nabanggit ni Coach na nandun ka nung kumbaga down talaga yung ano lang yung feeling na isa ka sa parte kung kailan pangat na rin yung
Siyempre po, masaya and masarap sa feeling kasi yung mga, nung nasaksihan ko po kasi yun, parang sinabi ko rin sa sarili ko na kumbaga, isa ako sa pwedeng maging instrumento ng pagbabago kung ano nangyayari sa amin. And ayun po, talagang niyakap ko lang din po talaga.
Siya, kasi naman, din nga, bilang super senior. Ano yung feeling na ma-lead kong UE to 4 wins after a winless season?
Yun nga po, bago po graduate ko, bago ko po iwanan yung UE po, parang magbibigay po ako ng legacy at sana po yung mga paparating po na mga players po na pupunta ng UE or yung mga nasa lower batch ko po, at sana po parang sila din yung magbibigay ng inspiration at mag-guide din po sa mga bago po. Yun lang po.
You said din ng last game na parang yung recruitment isa sa kumbaga mahirap na part sa UE. Pero with getting 4 wins this season, siguro paano na lang yung makakatulong na pag magre-recruit kayo, pwede nyo sabihin na paangat na talaga itong UE Red Warriors?
Actually, sa amin sa recruitment, ang sinasabi lang kasi namin, pag kumukuha kami ng player, we always assure the parents of the guidance while nandito sa Manila. Second would be, as coaches, we know how we would be able to develop players. Kasi since the downside nga is we cannot recruit like blue chip recruits, so we just find for potential players. and then we try to develop them. With the 4 wins, I think siguro pwede na rin pangbenta is, yun nga, pwede na namin silang, we want them to be part of how the UE men's volleyball team will rise to the rankings. But still wala naman kaming sigurong babaguhin. It's more of like it's proving to the people then and making the players realize na they may not be a top recruit after high school, but this is a different level in the collegiate ranks for as long as they will work hard. For us coaches, we will just remind and try to bring out the best of them. Pero yun na, at the end of the day, it's them who will work hard kasi. So, kaya nga, like what I always tell the players, kapag minsan nakikita namin na parang medyo wala, out of focus, like, kailangan doble yung kayod, doble yung trabaho, and at the same time, they should have a heart na pagtrabahuhan yung dapat gawin kasi hindi naman nga sila top recruit. So it's just making them realize na they have to work talaga ng doble, triple each and every day if they wanted to get the result na gusto nila personally muna. And then, para makuha din yung long-term goal or yung ultimate goal ng team.
Rafi, para sa'yo, yung more than 4 wins, first back-to-back wins nyo nito in a long time. Siguro, ano na lang yung pinaka-importante para makip nyo yung consistency para tuloy-tuloy na ganito yung magiging resulta nyo.
Kumbaga, matalo-manalo po kasi sa ensayo lang naman babalik. Yung ginagawa namin ngayon, kumbaga kung anong meron kami ngayon, talagang ipapolish na lang yun para sa amin. Then, para sa mga bata, work hard din with guidance po namin. Doon po sila, kumbaga, mas papantay pa. Yun po.
Coach, earlier in the season, napagit niyo yung commitment niyo, Coach Jerome, on building back, not only the men's but also women's team. Kumbaga, rebuild, full rebuild, na napagit niyo na committed kayo with this 4-win season for the men's team. Gaano kalaking boost na natin sa confidence niyo na talagang kaya i-rebuild yung not itong men's team for the years to come?
Kasi ito yung season na parang after pandemic, ito yung season na parang finally, fruit of the labor, parang okay, finally, ito yung mga bata na nabuo namin over the years na yung pieces by pieces. So, very fulfilling and masaya sa feeling na, may resulta na. Because we were waiting for this result for how many seasons na din na parang magkaroon ng talagang breakout game yung men's team. I think the last one was, nandun pa yung mga seniors, sina Lloyd. Yun yung first namin na coach na men's team eh. And then pandemic came. So after nila pagbalik, parang most of them are graduates already. So, yun yung parang nag-umpisa ulit sa bata and then after that season, nag-start ulit from scratch. So, parang unti-unti na binubuo mo yung puzzle. But, as coaches na parang we're not looking at anything kasi or material things. But, yung parang worth it pala, yung pagtsatsaga. And yung, siguro yung, I would say stress every day with these players na yung immaturity kasi nila lumalabas eh. Mga simple things kasi. But, ayun, if we'll still be here by next season, we can assure everyone naman that they will see a better and more matured UE men's team.
Coach, next year nga, intact yung lineup nyo next season and yung nga, Kuya sina Rakim, yung mga second year players mo. How proud are you na? Yung nga, ito, naka-4 wins kayo, tutig yung roster nyo, very young team, what can you say?
Ano lang po, siguro, right now, I'm really proud of them. Kasi dun sa mga challenges na dumating, like we had injured players, and then now Andre was not able to play, and our another setter, Gio Rado, played consistently, I would say, and yung sa 2 wins namin, he played as the first setter. So, na-accept niya yung challenge. And siguro, yun nga, sabi ko nga kanina, yung everyday na stress, yung siguro, yung nag-aaway kami ng mga to halos everyday during training, but we made sure naman na before matapos yung training, kumbaga masaya. Yun naman yung minimake sure. Kumbaga, it's really how you will make them stronger emotionally and mentally. Kasi, kumbaga, I always tell them pag nasa training, coach nyo ako, kami yung mag-guide sa inyo. When you go out there and you play in the bigger arena, ang dami ng factor. So may pressure na yan, may drums, may audience, may camera. So kailangan stable na sila before they go out of UE. And yun, siguro yun lang talaga yung word na magagamit ko. I'm just proud sa lahat ng players, and even si Sean, na actually hindi naman siya super senior, at nag-step up siya. Finally, ito yung hinihintay namin sa kanya, na he was able to realize that he may not be the best player, but he is a good player. So, yun lang naman yun it's giving them confidence each and every day para pagdating dyan, alam na rin nila yung gagawin. So, remind lang talaga ang ginagawa namin and guidance.
Congratulations, players and Coach Jumbo. Good season, guys.
Salamat.